This is an I report in Gaithersburg, Maryland. We got about 30, I think it's 30 inches here, right? 30 inches. All the cars are covered. You could hardly see anything out here. Trees, properties, mailboxes. Look at this mailbox right here. We got at least 30, 2.5 feet of snow. My car here, Toyota Corolla, completely covered. I just started trying to see if I could clear it up a little bit, but it is ridiculous. Ain't no plow trucks around, nobody coming into the neighborhood. I did see an SUV get out, but he kept going. He wasn't slowing down or nothing. This is ridiculous. This is one for the records.